What if the secret to a flatter belly didn't lie in the gym or some expensive detox plan, but in your kitchen, in a glass of something so simple, so natural, it almost feels too good to be true? Thousands of people are now waking up to this easy morning ritual. And after just 10 days, many are reporting less bloating, smoother digestion, and even a trimmer waistline. Before you dismiss this as just another health trend, stick around. Because in this video, I'm breaking down the powerful science and the ancient wisdom behind 3 common ingredients that, when combined, can transform how your belly looks and feels. And yes, I've saved a bonus tip for the end that takes these benefits to the next level. Let's start with something we all take for granted: water. But not just any water. We're talking about comfortably warm water, consumed first thing in the morning. Why warm? Because it gently wakes up your digestive system, stimulates blood flow, and encourages your gut to move things along. Warm water acts like a mini internal massage. It soothes the intestinal muscles, helping relieve constipation and bloating, especially if you're prone to sluggish digestion. Think of it like this. Just as a warm shower relaxes your body, warm water internally calms and prepares your digestive tract for the day ahead. It also helps dilute stomach acid just enough to prevent heartburn without weakening digestion. And here's something even more fascinating. Studies suggest that starting your day with warm water slightly raises your core temperature, nudging your metabolism into gear earlier. Now let's talk about a powerful addition: apple cider vinegar, or ACV for short. Rich in acetic acid, apple cider vinegar doesn't just aid digestion, it enhances insulin sensitivity and can lower blood sugar spikes after meals. That's crucial if you're struggling with weight around your midsection. Spikes in insulin often translate to fat storage, particularly belly fat. But there's more. Apple cider vinegar may help suppress appetite, making it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking. It supports the production of hydrochloric acid, the stomach acid responsible for breaking down food, and this helps prevent gas, bloating, and indigestion. Some studies even link apple cider vinegar to reduced fat accumulation and lower LDL, or bad cholesterol levels, making it a heart-friendly tonic too. And don't worry, the taste gets balanced beautifully with our next ingredient. Freshly squeezed lemon juice adds more than just a refreshing citrus twist. It's a vitamin C powerhouse that helps reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the digestive tract. Though lemons are acidic on the tongue, they become alkalizing after digestion, helping to balance your body's pH levels, which supports better nutrient absorption and faster metabolism. Lemon also stimulates bile production, aiding the liver in flushing out toxins. When your liver is clean and efficient, your metabolism runs smoother, your digestion improves, and your body is less likely to store excess fat, especially around the midsection. And let's not forget, vitamin C also strengthens your immune system, protecting your body from illness and reducing inflammatory stress, which is often a hidden contributor to weight gain. Now imagine what happens when you combine warm water, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar every morning, on an empty stomach. Your metabolism gets a natural kickstart. Your digestive system runs smoother. Your appetite becomes easier to manage, and your belly starts to feel and look less bloated. This trio works to flush toxins, speed up fat burning, reduce internal inflammation, and even improve your skin. Many people report feeling lighter, more energized, and noticing less puffiness within the first few days. Here's the recipe. 1 glass, about 250 milliliters, of warm water juice of half a lemon and 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Optional. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper for extra metabolism-boosting effects, or a dash of cinnamon to help regulate blood sugar. Stir well and sip it slowly each morning before breakfast. Do this consistently for 10 days and observe the changes, not just in your belly, but in your overall energy, digestion, and well-being. A quick word of caution. If you have acid reflux or ulcers, start with just a few drops of apple cider vinegar and increase gradually. Always rinse your mouth afterward to protect your tooth enamel from the acidity. And as always, consult your healthcare provider if you're on medication or managing a health condition. Here's a bonus most people overlook. Stay hydrated throughout the day. This morning tonic works best when your body isn't dehydrated, so drink enough plain water between meals. Dehydration can cause water retention, which ironically leads to more bloating. Also, move your body. Even 10 minutes of stretching or walking after meals helps your digestive system process food better and keeps your metabolism humming. Your body was designed to heal, detox, and function at its best when you give it the right tools. So instead of complicated diets or gimmicks, why not try this simple 3-ingredient morning drink for the next 10 days? You might be surprised at how quickly your belly flattens and how amazing you feel. If you're ready to try it, type "I'm in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health and wellness tips that truly work.